another one.
The top 5 jobs in the next 5 years. And this comes from our good friend Mitch.
Shake and bake.
Says, what type of jobs do you think will be in high demand in the next 1 to 5 years? Top 5. So the top 5 jobs, dialing. You're too close. All right, I'm kidding. I'm just messing around. All right, let's start the clock. So, probably not the best joke, but anyways. So I'll say the top 5 jobs in the next 1 to 5 years. I think that it's going to be definitely cybersecurity is like, that's not going anywhere, right? Cybersecurity is not going anywhere. Especially with the hacks that are going around. Next week's Bug Bite, we're going to be talking about how North Korea is using hackers to get into people's crypto wallets using LinkedIn, right? So definitely cybersecurity. Every single week there's a new hack. Like last week we spoke about thanks to Mitch, about how Medicare was being how Medicare data got leaked because of how data was being transferred through something called Move It, right? So definitely cybersecurity is not going anywhere. Cloud engineering is another one that I think is going to be in high demand for the next 1 to 5 years, right? Setting up the cloud, knowing, using and when I say cloud, I almost use DevOps and cloud engineering synonymously, because you're going to need to know how to set up pipelines. You're going to need to know how to do infrastructure as code, how to create deploy microservices using Kubernetes, being able to deploy on different applications. You're going to need to know how to do it on Azure, how to do it on Google Cloud Platform, how to do it on AWS. So many different things that come up with the cloud. Setting up cloud networking, cloud infrastructure. So subnets, DNS, VPCs, virtual private networks, security groups. So many different things come with the cloud. And then guess what? Every cloud has its own way of doing it as well. So learning that the cloud is not going anywhere. Even outside of those parts of the cloud, right? A company like Amazon, like AWS, they have tools of Device Anywhere, or not Device Anywhere. They have it called what is the name of that tool? Device Farm, right? Where you can connect to different devices. You can connect to iPads. You can connect to Android devices. You can connect to iPhones. So many different devices that you can connect to that you might need those devices to facilitate testing, things of that nature, right? So cloud engineering is definitely going to be around. I'm going to say software development will always be needed. Like people say, oh, AI is going to take this, AI is going to take that, AI is going to do this, AI is going to do that. People still need to build the AI, and those are going to be software engineers, right? So definitely software engineers makes the cut. You're going to need data engineers, scientists, whatever under data analytics. So that whole umbrella of data definitely going to be needed for the next 5-10 years, because what good is your AI? What good is your software? What good is your cloud if you do not have the data to process to help you make the decisions of where to go? Even data for the business decisions, right? What good is it? You can't do anything without data. We're not you can't just do a YOLO. We have to make data-driven decisions. So I think I'm on 3 or 4. You're gonna need testing. AI is not gonna take over testing. AI is going to help. AI is going to help every aspect of it, right? AI is going to help setting up the cloud. AI is going to help software engineering. AI is going to help with cybersecurity. AI is going to help with data, but it is not going to replace it, right? So you're going to need testing. You're going to need people to actually do automation, and you're going to need the type of QA engineers who know how to use the cloud, who know how to set up testing infrastructure. Something I'm going to be working on very soon is called quality ops, right? being the leader, the forefront of all of these industries. And then as a bonus, AI is going to be super important. Like, so under AI, I'm going to dump all this under AI, right? Prompt engineering, the language learning models, the natural language processing, how to actually integrate AI into the different, like building different softwares and things of that nature. You know, all of those things, all of those things work together. Like, and when everything that I said, they all touch each other in some aspect, right? So cybersecurity is protecting the work, is to protect the company, the organization, the end users. So, and the software that the software, what the software engineers are building, it is fueling everything, you know? So it's, to me, those are the top 5-6 things that's going to be in high demand in the next 1 to 5 years. You're always going to need people to test things. You're not, you might not need manual testers, but you're definitely going to need quality engineers. You're going to need the software developers. You're going to need the cloud people. You're going to need the cybersecurity people. You're going to need the data people, and you're going to need the people to work with AI, right? That is my take on an amazing, amazing question from my guy, Mitch. All right, so let's wrap that question up, and then we're going to wrap up the show.
Is real simple, B. It says wrap it up. Wrap that shit up, B.
Let's wrap that. Let me. What? So, all right. So, Alexis is asking. So, the concise answer is, all right. The concise, just the list: cybersecurity, cloud engineering, software engineers, data people, data engineers, scientists, analysts, QA. And then also, I'll give you a 6th one, AI, all realms of AI. So AI from prompt engineering to language learning model people to natural language processing, people who know how to work with that. That is, so I gave you 6. You asked for 5, I gave you 6, all right? And I didn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because I counted on my fingers, right? I counted on my fingers, so... You do the conversion. You do the conversion. But let's wrap that question up.
Late night, I'm lost in the glow of your screen. You rock that wife beater like a true king. Coding through the silence, got my heart racing. You sip that 40, I'm just here embracing. You're my hood nerd, yeah, you drive me wild. You're my hood nerd, yeah, you drive me wild. That book in my heart's on fire. With every line of code, you take me higher. In your arms, I can't deny. This nerdy love story's and why I sigh. Khaki shorts and house shoes, you make it look good. In your world of tech, baby, I'm understood. I know you ain't perfect, but with you I fly. In this love so wrong, feels so right, oh my. Just one look and deep in a trance. That look in my heart's on fire. With every line of code, you take me higher. In your arms, I can't deny. This nerdy love story's and why I sigh. I sigh. You're the geek who stole my heart. We'll write our story, never apart. Tech cookie, my heart's on fire. With every line of code, you take me higher. In your arms, I story, never apart.